In this quick guide, we'll show you how to create a channel for your robot mower so it can safely travel between different mowing areas without cutting along the way. Not every lawn is in one big open space. Often yards are separated by driveways, paths, or other obstacles. That's where channels come in handy, allowing your mower to move between these areas without mowing as it goes. First, open the Motion app and connect to your robot mower. Tap on the picture of the mower and then select Maps. The app will rotate horizontally so you can control the mower with your phone. Click Create and then click Channel. Before starting, position your mower at the beginning of where you want the channel to start and then tap Start Mapping Channel. Use the joysticks provided to manually drive the mower along the path you want to create. Continue mapping until you reach the end point of your channel. The app will notify you when mapping is complete and ask if you'd like to save the channel. And that's it, your robot mower will now use this channel to move between areas without mowing and keeping your pathways clean and tidy. Easy as that.